Good morning everyone. I am Moni from BSc Chemistry Honors first year. Today we will read the chapter Nucleophilic Substitution Reaction and Elimination Reactions. Type of nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reactions are classified into two categories: aliphatic nucleophilic substitution reaction and aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction. Aliphatic nucleophilic substitution reaction. These reactions are given by those compounds which have a nucleophilic group as a leaving group easily displaced. The weaker the basicity of the group is the substrate, the better it is the leaving ability. Thus, the leaving group of the power of the group is inversely proportional to the basicity of the group. The leaving power of some nucleophiles group is given below in a descending order. Some other nucleophiles groups as a leaving groups are. In these reactions, leaving groups of the substrate is replaced by another nucleophile. If reagent is a neutral, then leaving groups is replaced by negative part of the reagent. Negative part of the reagent is always nucleophile in character. In nucleophilic substitution reaction, basicity of leaving group should be less than the basicity of incoming nucleophile groups. The strongly basic nucleophile groups replaced weakly basic nucleophile groups of the substrate. For examples, RCl with the NOH gives ROH plus Cl negative. Nucleophilic substitution reaction at a sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Substitution reactions of alkyl halide. Alkyl halides gives the two type of nucleophilic substitution reactions. Substitution nucleophilic bimolecular reaction, substitution nucleophilic unimolecular reactions. SN2 reaction. Characteristics of SN2 reaction. The rate of reactions depend upon the concentration of alkyl halide and the concentration of nucleophiles. Thus, the rate of reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of alkyl halide and hydroxide. In this reaction, the two species CH3Cl and OH negative are involved in the rate determining step. Hence, reaction is bimolecular reaction. In this reaction, product formation takes place for the formation of transition state. Thus, the mechanism of the reaction is follows. Reactivity of the substrate in which the product of formation takes place is by the formation of the transition state. It depends upon the steric hindrance and or a crowding around carbon with the leaving group. Reactivity is inversely proportional to the steric hindrance. Thus, the relative reactivity of different alkyl halides in SN2 reaction is followed. When all have a same leaving groups, then methyl halides 1 degree alkyl halide, 2 degree alkyl halide and 3 degree alkyl halide. When R of alkyl halides are some reactivity depends on the leaving power of the group as follows. SN2 reaction is carried out in a polar aprotic solvents like acetone, DMF and DMSO. These solvents favors the formation of TS. Stereochemistry of the reaction. In SN2 reaction, the nucleophiles attacks from the opposite side of the leaving group. This mode of attack causes the changes in the configuration. The optical activity alkyl halides in which halogen is bonded to a chiral carbon leads to the formation of only one stereomer, and its configuration is inverted compared with the configuration of the reacting alkyl halide. Note: SN2 reaction by the optically active alkyl halides are known as the Weldon inversion. The reaction is favored by the high concentration of good negatively charged nucleophile in polar aprotic solvents. Some examples are substrate having leaving groups are resist carbon does not have SN2 reaction. Heteroatom present on beta carbon and a pi bond present on a gamma carbon on a leaving group enhance the rate of SN2 reaction The mechanism operating in such a reaction is called the neighboring group mechanism or a neighboring group participation. It consists of the two conservative SN2 substituting with the inversion of a configuration. Thus, the net result in the retention of the configuration. The common feature of neighboring group mechanism in the formation of a highly reactive three-membered cyclic intermediate by intramolecular reaction. Due to the reason of the reaction occur thousands of the times faster than comparable intermolecular nucleophilic substitution. Nucleophilic substitution unimolecular reaction. The rate law shows the rate of the reaction depends only on the concentration of alkyl halide. Thus, it is a unimolecular reaction. Rate directly proportional to the concentration of alkyl halide. Product formation takes place by the formation of carbocation as a reaction intermediate. This mechanism reaction as follows: the first step, second step. The activity of the substrate in which the product formation takes place is by the formation of reaction intermediate depending on the stability of the reaction intermediate as follows. The activity of the substrate directly proportional to the stability of Ri. Thus, the relative reactivity of different alkyl halides in SN1 reaction as follows. Thus, the reaction is given by tertiary alkyl halide, primary as well as a secondary alkyl halide was beta carbon is either tertiary or a quaternary also gives this reaction. SN1 reaction is carried out in a polar protic solvent such as the water, alcohol, acetone, water, etc. The reaction is favored by the weak Lewis base which is neutral. In most of these cases, the solvent may be nucleophile. Stereochemistry of SN1 reaction. The reaction of the alkyl halide in which a halogen is bonded to a chiral carbon leads to the formation of enantiomers, one with the same relative configuration as the reacting alkyl halide and the other with the inverted configuration. Formation of enantiomeric pair is due to the formation of carbocation whose geometry is the planar. The SN1 reaction that transforms an optically active substrate into an enantiomeric pair of racemic mixture is said to be proceed with their racemization. If enantiomers are formed in an equal amount of the reaction is said to proceed with the complete racemization. In case of the complete racemization, no optical activity is detected in a mixture. Only few reactions are known where the optically active alkyl halides undergo complete racemization, retention of the configuration and 50% inversion of the configuration. In most of the cases, optical active alkyl halides undergo SN1 reaction gives the partial racemized product instead of completely racemized product. The products usually consist of a more inversion product than retention product. In most of the cases, the product usually consists of 5 to 20% inverted product and 80 to 95% racemized species. This result may occur if the carbocation is not sufficiently stable and if a leaving group is not removed far enough for the carbocation. Lone pair blocks from a face of the carbocation for the attacks of the nucleophile. Thus, attack of the nucleophile on the ion pair can occur more easily at the back side, producing the more inversion product and less of the retention product. Partial racemization proceeds as follows. Inert and intramolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Bifunctional compounds that contain both the nucleophiles and the leaving group giving either intramolecular or intramolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Intermolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. In intramolecular reaction, the nucleophile of one molecule displaces the leaving group of the second molecules of the compound. Higher concentration of reactant favors the intramolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. An intramolecular nucleophilic substitution takes place within a molecule. Low concentration of reactant favors the intramolecular reaction. Intramolecular reaction gives the cyclic product, and if the intramolecular reaction would form a 5 and 6 membered ring, it would be highly favored over the intramolecular reaction because of its stability. Intermolecular reactions are less favorable for other sizes of the ring. Aromatic nucleophilic substitution reactions RSN. Unlike aliphatic compounds having nucleophilic groups as a living group, aromatic compounds having same group bonded directly with aromatic ring do not undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction under ordinary conditions. The reason for the unusual reactivity in the presence of a lone pair or a pi bond on the key atom of the functional group. Lone pair of a pi bond of the key atom is a conjugation with benzene ring. Hence, decolorization phenomena take place. Decolorized pi MO giving the partial double bond character between carbon of a benzene ring and the key atoms. As a result, the key atoms becomes firmly bonded to benzene ring and cannot be replaced easily. Another factor for the low reactivity in the nucleophilic character of aromatic rings that decreases the nucleophile for attacking the ring carbon bearing the living groups. But under drastic conditions, under high temperature or high pressure, or both in the presence or absence of a catalyst, strong nucleophilic may be substituted. On the other hand, properly substituted aromatic compounds or aromatic nucleus having electronegative heteroatoms under nucleophilic substitution with less difficulties because R groups and I groups are activated groups for RSN reaction. This group decreases the electron density of the aromatic ring. Unimolecular aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction RSN1. RSN1 reaction is a very rare. This reaction is mainly given by the aryl diazonium cation. Rn and triple bond N react with nucleophiles gives the RNU. Mechanism is a two-step reaction. Although aryl cation is a highly unstable, but nitrogen is highly stable. This makes the nitrogen groups a very good living group, and it makes the generation of aryl cation extremely easy. Some examples of SN1 reactions of the aryl diazonium cation is given below. Electron donating group present at ortho or a para or both increasing the activity of a diazonium cation for RSN1 reaction. This is because electron donating group increasing the stability of aryl carbocation. Similarly, electron withdrawing group of these positions decreasing the activity. Electron withdrawing group decreasing the stability of aryl carbocation. RSN2 reaction. This is the most common RSN reaction given by aromatic compounds having the following nucleophilic groups as living groups. Reactivity of the substrate for RSN2. Reactivity of the substrate depending on the following factors. Reactivity directly proportional to the leaving power of the group, directly proportional to the R power of the group present on the ortho or para position, directly proportional to the I power of the group, or directly proportional to the electronegativity of the heteroatoms of the ring. Reaction takes place in a polar aprotic solvent. RSN2 reaction in which activating groups are present. Mechanism in the two steps. Aromatic nucleophilic substitution reactions, other name is benzene. The mechanism is given by the aryl halides which has at least one hydrogen at a ortho position with a strong base like NaNH2 or a KNH2 in a liquid ammonia. Reaction also takes place with the RLi as well as with ARLi. Mechanism is this. Stability of the carbocation in the reaction depends only on the inductive effect of the group. If G is the electron withdrawing group, then carbocation will be more stable due to the minus I effect. If G is plus I group, then carbocation A will be more stable. Major product of the reaction, if the halobenzene is monosubstituted, then two or more than two products will be formed. The nature of the major product depending on the nature of the group and the stability of the anion. Stability of the anion depends upon the inductive effect of the group and not of the mesomeric effects of the group G. Major product of the reaction, if a halogen is a monosubstituted, then the two or more than two products will be formed. Nature of the major product depends upon the group of G and the stability of the anion. Stability of the anion depends upon the inductive effect of the group G and note on the mesomeric effect of the group. Number of the product in the monosubstituted halobenzene. Number of the product depend upon the number of the halogens in ortho position with respect to the halo groups. Number of the product in the given tables. Ortho substituted halobenzene 2, meta substituted 3, para substituted 2, and this is the following reactions. Elimination reaction. The reaction is given by those compounds which have a nucleophilic groups as a leaving group. That's why -X, OH, OR, N2, N3, OH2, NR3, SR2. Removal of the two atoms or two groups or one atom and one group from the molecules is known as the elimination reaction. Elimination reactions are generally endothermic and take place on heating. Types of the elimination reaction. Elimination reaction can be classified into two following categories: alpha elimination reaction and beta elimination reaction. Alpha elimination reaction, a reaction in which the both of the groups or the atom are removed from the same carbon or a molecule, is called alpha elimination reaction. The reaction is mainly given by the geminal dihalide and geminal trihalide having at least one alpha hydrogen. CHX3 react with alcoholic QH gives CH2. Product of the reaction is the halocarbenes or a dihalocarbenes. Carbenes are the key intermediate in a wide varieties of the chemicals or a photochemical reaction. Beta elimination reaction consider of the following reactions: removal of the functional group from alpha carbon and the other group from then beta carbon is called the beta elimination reaction. In this reaction there is a loss of two alpha bonded 2 sigma bonded and a gain of 1 pi bond. Product of the reaction is generally less stable and the reactant. Reaction is generally endothermic which take place on heating. Type of beta elimination reaction. In analogy with substitution reaction, beta elimination reaction are divided into E1 and E2 and even CB. E2I reaction. The given reaction is an example of the E2. CH3 CH2 CH2 Br means react with a base gives alkenes, propene or plus H positive and Br negative. Energy profile diagram on this reaction is given by the adjacent figure. Characteristics of the E2 reaction is rate directly proportional to the alkyl concentration of alkyl halide and concentration of base. Rate depend upon the nature of leaving group. Rate directly proportional to the leaving power of the group. Reaction has a highly primary kinetic isotope. Velocity constant of the reaction. Velocity constant of the reaction Kh divided by Kd equals to 7. Results, the second and the third shows that the carbon halogen bond breaking and the carbon hydrogen bond breaking take place in the rate determining step. Since the reaction is a biomolecular reaction, the product formation will take place by the formation of transition state. Reaction mechanism is following. In E2 reaction, the product formation take place by formation of a transition state, which is the neutral species and has a less energy constant. In E2 reaction, both of the leaving groups should be anti-periplanar. Both leaving groups should be the same plane but should have an anti-conformation. In alicyclic compounds, E2 elimination is given by the most stable conformation in which both leaving groups are anti-periplanar. The elimination in the 6-membered cyclic compounds proceed best when leaving groups are diaxially. In case of periplanarity is available, 1-2 diaxial groups are always periplanar and anti to each other. Even reaction. Consider the following reaction. Reaction velocity depends on the concentration of substrate. This reaction is unimolecular reaction. Rate directly proportional to the concentration of substrate. Product formation takes place by formation of carbocation as a reaction intermediate. Since reaction intermediate is the carbocation rearranged is possible in even reaction. Reaction is carried out in the presence of polar protic solvent. Mechanism of the reaction in 2 steps. Step 1 the following. Step 2 are those. It is the energy profile diagram given below. Even CP reaction. Even CB reaction is limited to substrate with substituted which can stabilize the carbocation as a reaction intermediate. Thus, beta carbon should contain stronger I group, carbonyl groups, nitro groups, cyano groups, sulfonyl groups, or other carboanion stabilizing groups. This reaction is given by those compounds which have a poor leaving group, otherwise carbanion will not be formed. Beta hydrogen compound be highly acidic so that it can easily be removed as a proton to given carboanion. CF3 CH2Cl2 react with C2H5O negative gives F2C double bond CCl2. Mechanism in 2 steps. In this reaction, carbanion is formed. Number of the products in a beta elimination reaction. Number of the product depends on the number of different types of beta carbon having hydrogen. Number of the product in a beta elimination reaction equals to the number of different types of the beta carbon having the hydrogen. Sargef rule. According to the rule, the major product in the most substituted alkene is the major product is obtained by the elimination of H positive from the beta carbon which has a least number of hydrogens. Product of the reaction in the case is known as Sargef products. Hoffman rule. According to the rule, major product is always lead substituted alkene. Major product is formed from the beta carbon which has a maximum number of hydrogens. Product of the reaction in the case is known as the Hoffman products. Thank you.